Hello, friends. Welcome to your guided meditation on body awareness. I invite you to find a comfortable lying position. This may be on the floor, on a couch, on your bed. But I encourage you to bring in whatever you need to be comfortable. This may be a pillow, a blanket, some other cushions. But if you can find a place where you can lie on your back with comfort, that would be ideal. If lying on your side is necessary, that's okay too. But take the time you need to be comfortable. If you need to pause this and come back, that's okay. We'll be waiting. Once you've found a comfortable position, I invite you to close your eyes. Let your attention drop down into your breath. Can you feel your breath without changing your breath? I know that's hard. But can you feel your inhale and your exhale? Can you feel how your breath expands and contracts your chest, your ribs, your skin? Can you feel it without changing it? For this body awareness practice today, we're going to rotate our attention through our bodies. I invite you to see this as an experiment. If there are places that you cannot identify with, I encourage you not to judge, not to feel discouraged, but just to view this meditation as a practice. Bring your attention to your left big toe. Can you bring your attention here without movement, without looking for visual confirmation that you have a left big toe? Just bring your inner awareness to your left big toe. We'll move the attention now to your second toe, third toe, fourth toe, baby little toe. Sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, left calf, left shin, left knee. Back of the left thigh, top of the left thigh, left hip. Right big toe, right second toe, third toe, fourth toe, right baby little toe. Sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, right calf, right shin, right knee, back of the right thigh, top of the right thigh, right hip, left thumb, left second finger, left third finger, left fourth finger, left pinky, left palm, left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, left upper arm, left shoulder, right thumb, right second finger, right third finger, right fourth finger, right pinky, right palm, right wrist, right forearm, right elbow, right upper arm, right shoulder, the whole right arm, the whole left arm, both arms together, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, the left hip, the right hip, the left lower back, the right lower back, the left rib cage, the right rib cage, the left shoulder blade, the right shoulder blade, the back of your body together, the left lower belly, the right lower belly, the left abdomen, the right abdomen, the left chest, the right chest, the left collarbone, the right collarbone, the front body together, the left neck, the right neck, the left back of your head, the right back of your head, the left forehead, the right forehead, the left eye, the right eye, the left cheek, the right cheek, the left ear, the right ear, the left jaw, the right jaw, the whole head together, the whole head together, the whole trunk together, both arms together, both legs together, the whole body, the whole body, the whole body. We'll lay here for 3 breaths in this awareness. Feel free to lay here as long as you like, as long as time allows. But whenever you're ready, bring some movement into your fingers and toes. Make any wiggle or stretch that your body would like. Gently open your eyes and take the time you need to come back to seated. I hope you enjoyed this meditation practice, and I'll see you soon.